seeking low-maintenance living in a quiet neighborhood with an easy commute? Well, if so, then welcome home to 222 Forest Hills Village. You will absolutely love the finishes of this 2022 built home, both inside and out. This home features a craftsman-style front door, durable yet gorgeous wood-look LVP flooring throughout, a beautiful chandelier hanging from the slightly vaulted ceiling in the dining room, along with stainless steel appliances and an oversized single basin sink in the kitchen. Continuing on the main level, the primary bedroom showcases double closets with high-quality barn doors, and you will love the beadboard finish on the bathroom vanity. Don't miss the built-in shelving on the way down to your spacious living room. The lower level has an additional bedroom with a walk-up exit to the home's exterior. This setup could be especially beneficial for a live-in caretaker, roommate, or adult child living at home but craving some independence. Outside, you will love the one-car garage, the fire pit, and the curb appeal and convenience of the covered front porch. It is hard to find a turnkey home at this price in the Valley, so give me a call with additional questions or to set up your personal tour today. 406-890-5390.